For me, I lie, them I tell. Them two lie, she lie bad. Me and nobody in a fight. You see fight that going out there? When rebel come down road and 2 and 3 boy them there now. Me still on my tear, me see one rebel pass. Me hear what rebel say. All time out, me and nobody in a fight.
Alright, cool. Me no know nothing at all what that mean. Zine, but any altercation una have member say, me I know a good friend. We alright. Since recently, we build a local band and we cool. Young Khandy fall out. Me no business about that. Young Khandy deal with that.
So what? So what, Shas? So what?
Listen, let me talk. Secondly, bro, you see, respect what me have for Uno as my friend, Uno no have it for me none at all. You see, any altercation Uno have on TikTok, take it somewhere else. Cause Uno see what happened to me. And Rose, me can tell you this is a girl who me cheer for a long time.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete of minute upon the beat, and as you can see upon the screen. Well, it looked like said this relationship has come to an end. People putting in the comment section where you think about that, because a lot of people is saying, why is even Dancing Rebel upset that, you know, Rosealee stepped to Khandy after her birthday party? Meaning after. You see my say, because it never went down during the birthday party with sell-off. You see my say, but you don't know the thing set, you know what I mean? This is getting all of the attention and not, you know, Swiftly proposing to Dancing Rebel. You see my say, and you know last year wasn't so good as well. Cause you know say Ramis they send police for gonna knock down TJ and Mario. You know what I mean? So I think now is the time, you know, Rebel is distancing herself from all the drama, because this is not good on her brand. You see what I say? But it is what it is, people. Like and share the video from now, and let's hear what I go on for that to go on and we proceed at the end. You see me?
And no pussy to you, no pussy to Khandy, me take on anybody, my cause me motivate me do the most. And you see when that fig come back on my side, me no see it, I mean I respect it none at all. Can you see the predicament where I happen right now, dog? It not supposed to happen. So as a girl, me no business when I go bring me down and I go do the most, cause me not a favorite. Uno should have never do this to me. Never, none at all. Uno see how me up on TikTok every day. I say my prayer for my party go good this year. But that's ask you one thing, I not even celebrate my birthday. I hear someone want to enjoy myself. Zine, if you don't have no problem, bring it out a road, brother. Why this have to reach me and next year again? What me do to Uno? And then the people that get up, rebel hypocrite. I don't know, say, me no see nothing. Brother, me I see some in front of him in the car, we say we got taboo. We say, yes, the party finally done. Cool, we got taboo. But man in our back, Pops YG, me hear somebody say,
Khandy
and Rosealee fight. I'm say Khandy and Rosealee fight. Same time I push up my head and look up. Me no see nothing go on. Me see Pops run past with film phone. Everybody Khandy and Rosealee fight. And me I say no, I like her. Oh, up me so calm. So one time Swiss I say me go look. And him run out. And me I walk back and whatever. Remember say me pass in your car, you know? Pass in and me say, oh, Rose in our car, sit down, so I lie them at I want to go up outside, me say Khandy in our BMW. And me say, Khandy, what is dog? And me in a brother. Exactly that was what me say. Me say, me in a dog, what is for me right now? What I do? Me pass Rose car. I said, don't ramp with me, brother. Same thing me say to her. Me say, Rose, don't ramp with me, bro. I'm a walk past. When I reach the Olympic way now, yeah, Rose attack. And I say, I'm vexed with Rose and I feel a way. Rose come hug me up and say, I'm vexed with you. And I say, yeah, dad, you don't respect my brother. You don't respect me. Me no want to talk about Khandy when Rose, I want to talk to Khandy directly. Secondly, Khandy go kick her life. Khandy, may you talk right through. May you plan outfit. May I look outfit for you, everything. Khandy, you know me and you good like that. Zine, Khandy and me, you call me right through dance. I send security to come look for you. You come late. The cabinet is kind of full. Oh, we on the wall with the day. Zine, I say, alright. I go heal up Urban Nation. Khandy and Nikisha come over them say, Khandy, stay here, so. Because you have more space. Me not at Khandy rest on the same screen. You have more space, bro. You know what I do, dog? I drink my 2 cup of liquor, I make my entrance, and I stay up on the stage step. Because I make sure I say, and if the police them can't talk, brother, me dead them say, I want to entourage on the stage, a 2 or 3 man, cameraman, who will play the music, whatever. By the time I look, I certain the party, I go 4:30, bro. Them say 4 o'clock on the dot. I want everybody perform. Khandy at the stage side right there, so. Khandy say, Rebel, I want perform now, she has swag. Swag lad. So Khandy, you swag lad, come up on the stage and stay behind the TV, yes, so. Make Armani and I water come up. Alright. Swissa say, make Khandy go perform now. And I say, alright then, cool. We don't have no time. Khandy just beat, hurry up and run out. Them say, Armani for call her out. Alright, that's fine. Rosealee, remember me talk about the cabana, right? We talk about whatever the family about the cabana. Remember say, you never send me the receipts or whatever. You probably send Ramesh. You Ramesh talk.
Yeah, Ramesh and talk.
You know what I'm having? I say, Rosealee, me about her wig. Nothing, me don't ever get a wig, nothing at all.
I'm a woman, we don't have
exactly.
I should not come for the wig.
So I should not come for the wig from me, and normally, me and Rose talk about that cool, fine, wonderful. Me say, alright, you look like Rose now, come here, look out. When I look across, me say the puffy jacket, me say, okay, me say Rose, me say, alright, cool. May I talk for you night, Rose?
Just now, we go up on this. Rebel.
Rose, I want to do them say Rosealee there when me dip on stage already, dog. And then time you come and say whatever.
Rebel, me a big man, you know. What kind of story me a hold with people if me go say something to people? Oh, we not know that.
Oh, me I get the blame, I say. Them I go say.
Because I lie the girl tell.
Them I say, me rate Rose over Khandy. Oh, when me not see the fight, me not know what happen, me not know what happen. Me not know what kind of predicament. And then Khandy I go say, everybody a pussy. No, listen now. If Khandy I go say that, call name. Because you know say we to go lead back to. When you know say, me not know nothing, brother. Me look out for you one night. Me send flex for you, bro. Say, go for my phone. Please. I call flex with a flex. Make sure say you look out for Khandy. Because Khandy you come. You call me and not hear me whatever. When you come up on the cabana, you say you not see me. Them time I'm over the Rebel Nation side. I heal up my team, bro. You want to come cross? Me say, alright, Khandy, more space here, so stay here. So I'm going to take off a tight boot. You are squeeze me.
So she's saying.
But I never violate you as my friend, bro.
She's saying.
Everybody are going like say, and me doing something. Me not doing nothing, brother. Me not doing nothing. So all me a hypocrite. All me a get the fight. All me a get batteration. All me a get bring down. And me not know say nothing happen. Me never see. Me never see. Me not know. All me a give people preference. Me not click my life guys at this no one, brother.
Bro, today,
you see this? At this no one. You see me can never win for no one not like me. Probably you may go leave on the app go no, bro. Me go leave on the app go no because I can't win for no, brother. Only want me just click like I say, yeah, Rose wrong, Khandy wrong, blah blah blah. Only not understand say we unaware. What unaware? Me can't win to bumbo clot. I'm not act like say I'm me wrong. I'm me fight. I'm me up. I'm me do nothing at all. Oh me in a this, bro. Oh me in a this as a hypocrite. When it was my bumbo clot day, and somebody come ruin me day again. What me do? What me do? What me do? All of a sudden, I rebel motivate females. Rebel do this to females. Why not me bad mind Khandy? Come with a bad mind, my friend, for bro. Khandy know me for true. Rose know say me sweet. You don't know. Stop play a blind eye, bro. I'm not force me for corrupt, bro. I'm not a corrupt person. Corruption make me unhappy, brother. Me don't want no war from me dog or who me motherfucker. Make me salt, so brother. Me can't get a break. What me do? What me do? What Swiss do? What we do? Me can't understand. We don't act like say we do somebody something. And then not talk about humiliation ritual. And batty man, she bother, you can't dead man. That not like you, you know? You always have something bad to say about me, brother. And Khandy, I next one, I'm a comment section, I get to you. When I mental too weak, bro. I wanna have a real friend and for know people inside out, brother. More than me never try pussy yet, girl. Me always a take up for you. Me always a motivate you, always. So what happen now? What me do? Tell me what me do now. So me not click live and do this and make good around the wall. And that make me look like a pussy hole. I just that gonna make me look like a pussy worker. What me fi say? I mean I done ruin already. I don't have any expectations of me. When it done come to full conclusion, you know. There's nothing me can say to ever make a change or on feel.
So me ask that question, Rebel.
Ask
Me ask
me.
that question. Who you not click live and pick our side, Tribex?
No, that's not what I said. They want me pick a side. Because they might push it per se.
You know, she want you pick for your side. So
No,
click
this is not about no big side. Coming a rate, no. After that, the night, that after what wanna do me, I wanna say me I wanna a friend, and me I wanna good, I wanna do that to me. Me not rate none of no. There's no side to pick. It wanna pussy me. And if you violate her first or she violate you, it too on wrong. Cause I'm gonna take it somewhere else. It never there for be at my party. When it never there for do that to me. Me don't deserve that, brother. I wanna sit on me over here every day. I beg. But that's one good blood clot night of my life, bro. And at this. Every fucking me at 31, me not get a break. I mean, I expect this from my friend, them, and you know what me gonna do? TikTok, a TikTok. I mean, I gonna save nobody like Swiss. Me not gonna play no hypocrite. You know what I need to do? Stick to PTR. Because in my friendship, me not have certain problem, brother. And me come here, so I be compassionate towards people. Want bring up people, everything, everybody for good. And me can't win. Me can't win. Cause what the fuck my blood clot do? Kennedy, you not stop calling me. Me not coming off. Me not come off. Me not come off there. I'm tired, man. Them don't get it already. See that? Do anything you want to kill me. Blood clot. What want me for pussy clot? Me never seen a fight. Me no know no. What me for do? You fuck me up. Who want me to go up, brother? No. No. If you like me, I'm not to pump on TikTok, brother. I'm a born girl, so they know if you do anything. You're not rape me. No, rape me, brother. No. I'm a girl since every day. I don't care if the TikTok ever come on my party, for me. My regular preachers just support me. Now the certain things for that. I have a uno. I never people shut the other ears and rape and say, now pick the side. You know, rape none of me. Two of the pussy. I'm not supposed to be a friend. I'm going to fight someone else. I want to fight for a fuckery. I never fight you on my body. A fuckery not fight for. Get a trace in the trace and down the yard. Big blood with nothing. Big and careless. I mash up people things, you know. I mash up people things. If you not the money to come on the podcast, you hear me? It never be a problem to come back like people that don't ever want to fight and fight like that. And if you take down and children and rape me, wherever one goes say, rebel. We soon get everything on the blood clot, brother. Everything on the one pussy. It's a real girl. You want me hard that shit to my ribs and all my blood clot you want to go. I want to ever want to go all the time because I'm good shit. I don't need nothing. I don't need nothing. What me do on TikTok? What me do? Last year on the beat, they kill me. This year, no one going to get me. Me know, and what me do? Me not see no fight, me don't know what happened. I want to the man. When I'm not ready, I'm not ready. Now that, when I look for the everything I mean, what is this?
Yo, bro, it does hurtful, bro. We know say nothing, you still get blamed. When you run from it, bro. When you run from problem that you come at the problem, can't run, brother. You can't run from it, bro. Everybody has said me and the girl are hypocrite. What we do? Brother, if 100 TikTok can write us, I want TikTok or oh, Switzerland, bro, it come down my name, Salt.
You don't know what to do.
If 100 TikTok had a right so bro, I would have want TikTok fight. Yeah, yes, the Swiss stand up and make them fight. So out of all TikToker, nobody else could have part it. If my talk is a problem, if my quiet, me a hypocrite. What do you want me do? What do you want me do? If one of the Rose come and say she got acid the girl, me mute Rose, hear them Swiss leak with the hypocrite self. When me I tell Rosalee say stop.
I never said I was going to acid nobody.
No, when you say you go walk with the acid.
Them a go gang me, and me say them gang me a throw acid pan them like me say. Me not acid nobody.
Them say to me say, when I say that now, me mute you. Hear them now. Jesus Christ, Swiss leak quiet. If me say Rosalee stop, hear Swiss leak tell. You know them that hear Swiss leak tell Rosalee to stop. And a Rosalee side. Me not depend on none of them side, bro. The two of them wrong, bro. Rosalee wrong, put her in her face. And me tell her, bro. Khandy, why me say Khandy wrong now? When Khandy go say all of the TikToker them know. How could you say that, bro? Me see one screen maker them say Donna, Rosalee must tell Donna say, he she go must pay it. If Donna know Donna say it to you, tell Donna name. We don't know mean all TikToker. Me see one screen maker them say like Donna didn't know say you go to her. You go. If Donna didn't know you tell say Donna
don't know shit. I was just there talking Donna to the white girl. Them don't know shit.
Yeah,
But watch the what?
You see me I tell you?
Eh? But watch the what? I pay a lie, them a walk and tell.
And I will still get the blame.
Them a walk and tell pay a lie.
Still get the blame. No matter how we are run from it, bro. Oh. We just understand, bro. I'm going to tell Rebel and me just understand. See, people who love it on TikTok, Teamless and Revelation. I would just left it there, so, bro. We can't afford for everybody likes. And done it there. So, Rosalee, go on do your thing. I go jump park and I go in the street.
Go on do your thing.
Alright, sis. Simple as that, bro. You can't force people to like you, brother. You can't force people to like you over yourself, brother. Who are gonna like you, gonna like you. You can't, no matter you could have over your quiet like lamp.
Okay, people, this is my take on the situation. I don't think Rebel and Swisley should have even highlighted the situation because honestly, I forgot about Rebel's birthday party. You feel what I mean? All the attention is on Khandy and Rosealee right now, and I think that's a good thing because nobody is talking about, you know, it happening at the birthday party. This is my say. But me just giving you a quick update while going for the to go on. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest one. Bless.